horses we gave onion rings to last time.
Be nice. Bad as my dog. Here.
You gonna scoot it closer for him? Oh, they got it with their tongue.
Bad as my dog, she said.
You're gonna scare me.
Why?
I don't know. I do put a flap, but it's just a bunch of pigs.
Oh, yummy,
I
thanks.
feel teeth sometimes.
This is like a horse.
Missy, look at the little one in the back. Missy, look at the little one.
Hold up,
I know.
guys. She didn't eat yet.
Stop.
Sorry.
There you go.
Yeah, this is where the food goes to.
What are you doing, bud?
That's why you need refills. You want
Hey,
to eat them?
Fury.
What?
Come with us.
I want to put it in his mouth.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Throw it.
Like this.
They getting it all? You could probably feed them one. Hold your hand out flat so they don't get your fingers.
Easy.
Go ahead, don't be scared. Oh, Ethan, you keep dropping it, bud.
Oh, so he's put it in his mouth.
They'll be licking your fingers.
He didn't put it in his mouth.
Oh.
It looked like he...
Hold it out straight like this, look. See, like that.
Oh no, you beat that
See?
mouth off himself.
Hold your whole hand out straight. There you go. Keep going. You're supposed to let him eat it off your hand.
Can't do it.
Here, hold your hand out flat. Hold your hand out flat. Put it real close to the thing. Here. Here, I'll help you. I'll help you. There you go. See, they just lick it right off. Did you see that? Don't be scared. They won't bite you. Hold your hand flat, okay?
Can't do it.
Look at you. You're a bunch of heathens.
Here. Here. Are they all fighting over
If
the
I move up, I'm going to scream.
He's fighting this.